Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make lamb stew with British-style baked beans. It's an incredibly easy one-pot recipe. Let's get started. I will use this 24 cm Dutch oven. Big chunks of lamb leg. Add a little salt to the lamb, a little black pepper. Marinate the lamb and set aside. Add some vegetable oil and keep the temperature at medium heat. Add a sliced yellow onion. When the color of the onion changes, add the minced garlic and some sliced ginger. Add the marinated lamb. Mix them and keep stirring. At this point, I will preheat the oven at 330 Fahrenheit. When the color of the lamb changes, I will add unsalted chicken broth. Any market brand British-style baked beans with tomato sauce. Some halved cherry tomatoes. Bay leaves. A little salt. Ground white pepper. Put the lid on. Bring to boil. Then cover it. Transfer to the oven. It will stay in the oven for 2 hours at 330 Fahrenheit. After 2 hours, let's check the stew. Sprinkle some finely chopped parsley before serving. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this lamb stew with British-style baked beans cost me just over $20. I'm going to enjoy this cozy and satisfying stew with some bread. Thanks for watching my video.